So if you want to make your LG TV look brighter than it is on default, I'm going to show you two ways where you can do that. So you want to open up your menu. This is the first way. And you want to open up all settings. And after you go to all settings, you want to come here to picture mode. So you can see right now it's set to standard mode. You want to come to advanced settings, and then you want to select brightness, and then you want to go all the way down to where it says peak brightness right there. And then you want to go in there, and then you want to set this to high. And when you set this to high, you'll see your TV actually get much brighter. And if you want to add more brightness to the TV and even make it even more brighter, you want to come where it says support right there, and you want to go to where it says OLED care, and you want to go in here, and then you want to go down to where it says device self-care right there, and then you go down all the way to energy saving. And then on energy saving, you can see right there on top where it says energy saving step. It's on auto right now. It's by default here on auto. So we want to open that and then turn this off. And then if you do these two things, your TV will be at its maximum brightness. Right now on screen, it might not show it, but to me, looking at it with my eyes, it's way brighter than it was before. Thanks for watching.